Hello friends, this is Ars Gogo. Welcome to my channel. After approx 2 months, I am back again with my videos and hope you guys will like my new video of food painting. I took ibispaintx as digital painting app and manually tried sketching with my fingers. Firstly, I made blocks and basic shape with graphite pencil and then copied it on a different layer. And then I used deep pen soft pencil. The size was 3.5 and freshly sketched foot based on those rough blocks or shapes. As you can see, I made 3 foots here and made 3 layers also. One with rough sketch, one with copied sketch and one with fresh sketch. If you guys like my video, please like, comment and subscribe, and if you can share please. Thank you friends for watching my video. I hope you will like this video, and if you have any recommendation for me or if you want me to draw anything, you can just comment. Thank you so much.